Time to lace up, connect and go. Get ready for the new Puma Smartwatch. Woo! Welcome everyone, I'm Zilla, and in today's video I will be reviewing a brand new smartwatch from Puma. Yes, it's their first venture into the realm of smart wearables at this level. I had the chance to visit the Puma HQ in Germany to get hands-on with the latest in smart watches designed for athletes. Whilst there, I got to see some of the long and established Puma legacy and amazing history, which was a real eye-opener for me, especially seeing the great sporting names associated with Puma, such as Pelé, Usain Bolt, Lewis Hamilton and many more champions. So it's only fitting for Puma to have made this smartwatch in association with Fossil. First off, the color choices are black, rose gold and my favorite, yellow. Yes, it's loud, but oh so proud. The watch feels extremely light in hand and on the wrist, which is great when working out because you don't want a heavy, chunky timepiece that gets in the way and catches on gym equipment. The Puma weighs in at a featherlight 28 grams thanks to being made from a combination of nylon and aluminium, and at just 11 millimeters thick, it sits very flush to the wrist. The case is 44 millimeters in size, making it the perfect compromise for being unisex. The widest part of the silicone band is just 16 millimeters and is very soft and comfortable with plenty of size options for various wrists. If you want to swap out bands, good news, they are fitted with quick release pins. The aluminium caseback of the Puma watch has various sensors and metallic circular tracks, which is where the included charging dock magnetically attaches. Overall, I like the look. It's very sleek and minimalist, especially with just the one rotating crown to control various functions on the watch. The screen is a full color touch enabled 1.19 inch AMOLED panel with a 328 ppi screen resolution, meaning that the blacks are black and colors look vibrant, which is perfect as you have the ability to choose from several interactive dial options, such as the scorecard dial, which displays time, date and heart rate, but is completely customizable. The screen also has an always-on display, so you can simply see the time and the Puma logo at a glance. Overall, the screen is very clear and works well even in direct sunlight, so a thumbs up to Puma. So Puma got the aesthetics and build quality right, so what about the internals? Well, the watch runs on Google's Wear OS, so many of you will be familiar with the functions already, which is a good thing. The Puma has a Snapdragon Wear 3100 processor with 4GB of storage and 512 megabits of RAM to power everything, which is going to be plenty for most of you. In my testing, I easily got a full day's usage from a single charge and closer to twice that if I engage battery saving mode. Being a watch for athletes, there is a number of sensors built in which include an integrated heart rate sensor, an altimeter for measuring elevation, GPS and of course an accelerometer. But what surprised me was the inclusion of NFC, so you can use Google Pay when shopping straight from your wrist. The watch also has rapid charging on board, delivering up to 80% in just 50 minutes. So great if you need to top up in your lunch hour before your workout in the evening. Also worth mentioning is that the watch also has a waterproof rating of 5 atmospheres, meaning it is sweat, rain and splash proof and can be submerged up to 50 meters, meaning it is also swim proof. The Puma smartwatch also works with Google Fit. Because of the built-in GPS, it means that you can track your progress without the need to carry your phone on your person when working out. However, there is a second app called Puma Track, which gives you the ability to compete against other users, and it can curate run and training workouts uniquely designed for you. Google Assistant is also baked in, however, there is no speaker built into the Puma, so answers appear on screen rather than vocally, which personally I prefer because I'm either in a loud and busy environment, so would struggle to hear the reply, or in sensitive situations I might not want others to hear the result. There is so much more to the Puma smartwatch than just the fitness side. The ability to see the weather forecast in real time when planning on going for a run or just when you're going out for dinner. You can also receive your smartphone notifications on your wrist, which you can read, clear or delete, and also control Spotify from the watch if listening to music from your smartphone. One feature I really didn't expect was that you can answer and end calls from the watch, but it is worth noting that the calls come through via your phone or headphones connected to your phone rather than holding a conversation through your watch. Oh, and if you were wondering, the Puma smartwatch works with both iPhone and Android phones, so no one needs to feel left out. Overall, I feel Puma has done a great job with their first smartwatch venture. It's very comfortable to wear, the fitness side works accurately and has many different options. What has surprised me is the non-fitness features that have been included, like being able to see your agenda and calendar, paying for purchases in store, answering phone calls and many more. At this stage, I guess you are wondering, how much does it cost? Well, the answer is £249. Just remember that old saying, you can't put a price on your health. Affiliate links are in the description below where you can purchase the Puma smartwatch. I hope you enjoyed my review. If you did, smash that subscribe button and bell notification icon so you don't miss out on my upcoming videos. Give me a thumbs up and share the video on your social media. Until next time, I'm Zilla saying take care, lace up, connect, go!